Okay, so for today we're looking at the black flower embossed background card. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to minimize at the left bottom to 75% and then drag the whole project over to the middle so that I can see everything. And next I'm going to ungroup up here at the top right. And for this project, I have used the pen to write my sentiment. And I'm going to go ahead and change my words from cut to draw and select my pen for each of the sentiments. So up here, we select pen and then your color. And I'm going to use the Emboss It pen, but right here, I'm going to go ahead and select a gel in black for the color. And the next one, Miss You, up here from cut to draw, selecting my pen and color. Same thing, gel and black. And if you have a problem attaching your sentiment to your background, what you want to do is just select the background, hold your shift key and select each of the sentiments and drag it over far enough so that you can also make a box around it. So I'm not sure why, but this eliminates the fact that it won't attach. So they're all highlighted over here on the menu and clicking attach. And I'm going to drag this back over. And you can leave it outside for now because we don't really need it inside for the cutting process. And we're going to work on the flowers next. And each of these flowers will need to be changed as well to the pen. And same process, selecting your pen and your color so that the Emboss It pen can draw. And next, I think you can probably do this in one step by just selecting each of the flowers and getting them all selected on your let's see, let's do this. I will select the shift key, holding the shift key. I've got this flower selected, hold the shift key and select this flower. So now they're both selected. If I go up here to change them to pen and change my color and my pen selection, black, it will change them at the same time. So in turn, you could probably select all of these at the same time and select your pen and color all at the same time. So now all of them are changed. I need to attach them to this base. So again, clicking on this flower, I'm going to hold the shift key and click on each of the flowers. Except for the yellow one because that one is not going to be attached. So my flowers are selected and I'm also going to select the back. And I'm going to attach. And if it looks something like this when you do it, all you need to do is the back button. And what we're going to do is select the flowers again and select the base for the flowers. And I'm going to drag it over here. And I'm going to drag a box around it. And now I'm going to attach. So I'm not sure why that's happening in Design Space right now after the update, but this is just my personal workaround. So now everything is ready to hit the Make It button. and it should come up on your mat like this. And you'll notice that it tells you you need to put your pen, your Emboss It pen, in the tool holder or the pen holder, and we can get started.